Hey guys, in this short tutorial I'm going to show you how you can change your Facebook page name on desktop. So let's get started. So log into your Facebook account and click on see more. Just find this option for see more and click on there, and then you just need to click on pages. Here we go. You got all the pages here. Whatever pages you have, everything will be here. So for instance, I'm going to choose Wonder Harmony to change the name. Okay, you want to click on three dotted icon and click on switch now and switch. In just a matter of a second, your profile will be switched to profile to pages, and then just don't click on edit to change your name. Okay, this will be biggest mistake of yours. Just find the options called settings and click on there, and you find the name to change the name. Okay, just click on edit, and I'm here. I cannot be able to change the name because I already changed it under 60 days. So if you already change your name under 60 days, you cannot be able to do that. You will be notified, or you will be get a date for the next day to change your Facebook name again. So for my case, it's 20 September 2023. I can be able to change my name again. Over here you can see the names, and you can also change the username as well. So that's it for today. See you the next time.